Qingdao Add-Value Flow Metering Company Limited, located in the beautiful coastal city of Qingdao, is a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. Since its establishment, the company has been dedicated to the research and manufacturing of fluid measurement products. It has independently developed two major product series, Coriolis mass flow meters and online vibrating tube liquid density meters, both of which have obtained national invention patents. Equipped with advanced facilities and a comprehensive production inspection process, the company has successfully passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certifications. Currently, its products are distributed across various provinces and cities nationwide and are widely used in multiple applications such as quantitative loading, automation, and chemical process quality control for Sinopec, PetroChina, and major refineries. With stable and accurate fluid measurement services, the company has earned consistent praise from customers. We sincerely look forward to becoming your trusted partner.